Welcome back to Spanish with Maeve. Today we are going to learn the verb to eat in the third person, he or she. Are you ready? Let's start. To eat in Spanish means comer. If we remove the R, we have come. Come means she eats, or come means he eats. He eats an ice cream. Come un helado. He eats a tortilla. Come una tortilla. He eats a paella. Come una paella. Fried egg in Spanish means huevo frito. Remember, we don't pronounce the H. He eats a fried egg. Come un huevo frito. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We will continue learning the verbs, so please keep watching, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to give me a like if you like my videos. Thank you. Eso es todo por hoy, pero continuaremos con los verbos. No os olvidéis de darme un me gusta y os veo en la próxima. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.